In front of me is Realme 16 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First, open Settings and scroll a tiny bit to click on this section called Notifications and Quick Settings. Now, scroll again and this time tap on Manage All, available next to App Notifications, this tiny blue text. Now to sort your apps, hit Recent at the top left corner and decide if you want to see apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your Realme, or only apps with notifications already blocked. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, just click on the chosen option. And then use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them. You can also tap on gray ones to switch them back on. But what I like to do is to go back, sort my apps here the same way, and instead of managing one switcher, tap on a chosen one. For example, I want to manage Chrome. Now, I can block or unblock notifications thanks to this switcher at the top right corner next to Allow Notifications. Denied, Allowed. But I can also manage all of those other notification options for my Chrome. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!